Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basic. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to delete friends on Mobile Legends game. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to delete friends in Mobile Legends game, then first make sure to open the application and also log into your account. From the main homepage of Mobile Legends, tap on the two human icon located at the bottom right. You'll be able to open up the social tab on your game. All of the friends that you've added will be displayed on this list. Here, you can locate your in-game friends, Facebook friends, following and followers list, nearby friends, and much more. If you'd like to delete a friend in Mobile Legend, then simply go ahead and select one of the tab you'd like to remove friends from. In my case, I've selected the in-game friends option. Simply tap on the trash icon right next to your friend, and in the pop-up, tap on OK in order to unfollow or delete your friend. And all of your familiarity with the player will be reset after you proceed through this process. Once you tap on OK, you'll be able to delete a friend on Mobile Legends. You can keep adding more friends by tapping on the human icon with a plus button in it and search for friends that you'd like to follow or add. You can also search for players nearby and add them as your friend by tapping the follow button. That is how you'll be able to delete a friend on Mobile Legends. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.